Welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a Diamond Art Club unboxing of one of the smaller paintings that I was able to purchase through the Diamond Art Club store on their store on Amazon. Apologies for that. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. So if you're not aware, sorry, I kind of forgot what the word was. Diamond Art Club does sell kind of smaller paintings on Amazon. You can actually search through Diamond Art Club and a whole listing of smaller paintings will appear, and there's such a selection, and you can pick whichever diamond painting you'd like to move forward. This one, I selected it because I really love the color, the art, and just the whole ambiance of it is really pretty to me. It's a landscape one, and I love landscapes, so I was so happy when I picked it. This painting is a round. The box always indicates if it's a square, it's a little square. If it's a round, it's a little circle. So the box is always real sturdy, and in the back it just has information about diamond painting, especially if you're new to the craft. On the side is a QR code. It's a 10% discount for your next purchase if you wish to buy another one for yourself. And so yeah, that's pretty much all with the box. So let me take everything out of it and I'll be right back. Give me a moment. Okay, I'm back. So the box contains the painting, the diamonds, the toolkit, the sticker with some information and the labels, and I've seen that for Amazon orders that you purchased, the paintings you purchased through Amazon, it has a little warranty card that you would just use to register the painting, just in case there's an issue or anything with the painting. They will follow through with the customer service, the assistance of assisting you. Oh my goodness, I couldn't find the wording for that. So if there's an issue with the painting, it's also with a lifetime warranty, and if there's any replacements or if you're missing any diamonds, they'll follow through because the painting has been registered. So this painting, I purchased it a while ago, so I'm not too sure if I can, but it's alright. I haven't had an issue with Diamond Art Club paintings, so I have faith in it. Let me put that aside real quick, and I'll put the painting as well. Usually it's plastic wrapped, but just to save time and not have the crinkly noise, I removed it, and we'll see the painting in a moment. And the diamonds as well, they're usually wrapped up in the painting, but I pulled them out as well just to be able to show and to save time as well. So let me show the toolkit real quick. So Diamond Art Club paintings always come with a toolkit. So depending on what kind you're using, the item, this is an older kit. So if it's a square, it would have had tweezers, but since it's a round, it will not. And Diamond Art Club is currently changing the way their newer kits are, so that's why it might look different if you decide to move forward and purchase a new kit. So the kit includes some nice, really sturdy Ziploc bags, especially if you kit up in this style. These are really good bags. A nice regular pen with the squishy pencil holder. So usually I can't get those in. Ooh, wow, I really got it through. And I love that it's orange and it's matching, so I'm a big fan of that. A cover minder with a really pretty light pale yellow rose. As you can see, it's a magnet. And there you go. I don't usually use the cover minders anymore, but I do collect them, and I love the roses. I only have two, so I'm really excited that I got a new one. And standard wax, which includes two little hearts. It's the heart shape for this. I really love using this wax. It's real sturdy, and it really is good at holding the diamond on the pen and placing it on the painting. I'm a big fan of this. And some washi tape to help you section or for edging the painting around, just so you don't have any dust sticking to the glue. I do that for these, and I really, oh, this is so cute. I really like this. It has really pretty flowers and green as the grass. Oh, I really like that. And two multi-placers, it is a 4 and a 7, and I love using these as well. Not just the standard pen, but if you have a specific pen you love using, these fit as well, and I'm a big fan of that. and your tray with the little stopper. And these trays, I have a lot of them because I love using them a lot. They're really good at holding, they're real sturdy, and they're really good at separating the diamonds. So sorry. So yeah, that's pretty much all for the toolkit. So let me just put everything back in the bag. And the bag as well is a real sturdy plastic, and you can recycle it. And in the back of it, it includes the information of what the kit should have. So in case you see anything missing, especially if anything, you would just let Diamond Art Club know, and they'll assist you on to see what's going on and see why it's missing. Sorry about that. Let me move that to the side real quick. And let me get the painting. And so they also include the labels of the painting and a large photo of the painting itself, as well as the smaller one. So let me just let y'all know, they do not come in this style. They do not come with a sheet cover. It's just the labels and the small sticker. I do this because I have a binder, and I organize these because I do keep the large image even after I use all the labels. So yeah, don't open your next kit expecting a little cover, sheet cover. It's not. It's just myself, because I organize them so I can reference, oh, this painting, actually I'll work on this one, and I pull it from myself, and I know how to, you know, what I'm going to do next. And so some information about the painting. It is called Moonlit Blue Forest by Elephant Stock. And it is a round shape and is a 20 by 13 inch or 50.7 by 38.8 centimeters. And it's a really beautiful blue landscape, as you can see, with the tree lines, the beautiful river in the middle, the dark sky, and that wonderful moon. I always love paintings with moons. And when I first saw this, I fell in love with it. So that's why I picked it up on Amazon. And I'll make sure to put a link to it below. So in case this is a painting you're interested in, you can locate it a little quickly. And the number of colors in this one is 21. And it has 2 ABs and 1 fairy dust. I think that look pretty, whichever color it is. Pop off, with, especially with the darker tones, pop out the color, and you can actually see really well. Oh, I really love that. And the smaller image is just a smaller sticker that you can use for your logbook, or you can use it for putting at the end of the box in case you're storing it. I use these for the logbook, so I'm a big fan of it. And as I said, I just keep the larger one just so I can reference the art in case you ever want to see it. And so let me put it aside real quick. Oh, my apologies. The labels are adhesive, so you can see. Whoop, I just took it off. And I really love this because myself, I do not have a label maker. So I love that anyway you're kitting it, you'll have the labels that you can put on. And these are the diamonds. So I love that the way it's organized, it has they always put the name of the painting on the packet of diamonds. Especially if you store the painting and the diamonds separately, at least you can reference it, you know, oh, this is where it goes. Sorry, you know which painting this belongs to. And this is the painting. So as I said, it's a landscape, and it's a little smaller. So I believe I might be able to get it all on camera. And rolled up as well. My apologies, I forgot. It also includes it with the diamonds. It's just a small pamphlet. Thank you for your purchase. It also has instructions inside about diamond painting and information about that. And at the back, it has QR codes so you can download the Diamond Art Club app. And the app, I use it a lot, and most of my purchases I use it through. It's in case you ever want to look up your account, or you want to see what kind of new paintings are coming in. Anything you see on the website, you'll see through the app. I love it a lot because it's really good at whenever I have a reference, oh, what painting did I purchase last time, or anything like that. I'm a big fan of this, and it's available for Android and Apple. And if it's a first time purchasing through the app, it's a 20% off coupon that you can locate once you scan the QR code. And just to say, I am not sponsored by Diamond Art Club. I just really love the app. I have to say that every time because I'm always pushing the app every time I'm doing one of the videos. So I put it aside real quick. And as I said, this is the painting. Oh, I love the yellow. I see it in the picture. I thought it was going to be a little bit more pastel. Now it really pops. Oh my goodness, I love how this painting looks. That is real pretty. As I said, it's a dark blue sky with the moon. Beautiful mountain line in the background. Oh, I really like this. And just in case you're not familiar with the canvas, it's a really soft material, and it's really well. Keeps it from getting creased up. So even though it's already was rolled up, as you can see, the creases are not staying. That's why I'm a big fan of these canvases. At the end, they're little scallops. So a majority of these I don't have a frame, so I love the little decoration on it. So when I put it on the wall, it's actually really pretty. And at the top of the painting is just the Diamond Art Club. They're saying, do what makes you sparkle, the name of the company. On the side is the legend of everything, of all the colors. So if you use the symbols or the DMC codes, you can always locate them. They're always on the side. At the lower left corner is a small image of the painting itself and information about it, the name, the artist, and the size as well. I love using this as a reference, especially when I'm working on the painting, so I could see, ooh, maybe that color looks incorrect. I just reference here just to make sure that I'm placing the correct diamonds. In the middle of the painting is just some information about their social media and a hashtag of whenever you complete the painting, just so we can see, ooh, let's see what the painting looks like when it's already completed. And as well, there's a 10% coupon code at the bottom if you decide to purchase another painting from Diamond Art Club. And if you can give me one moment, my phone is giving me a warning. I will be right back. Just give me a moment. My apologies for that. I record with my phone, so it's just giving me a warning of an issue that was going on with the recording, but fixed it. So to continue, at the side of the other side of the painting, and it's in the lower spot, it is a legend as well, and the lower right corner just has some information about the lifetime warranty Diamond Art Club has for their paintings, and if in case there's an issue with the diamonds, if you have an accident and spill some, or if the painting itself is missing a couple, you can reach out to the customer service and they'll be able to assist you on moving forward on getting those diamonds for you. Oh, I really love this painting. I actually do want to kit it up and start it. It's such a smaller one, but one at a time. And the diamonds. So I really love this really bright yellow and this nice dark teal color. I love that they do that with the name. So I'm going to show you the diamonds. Apologies for all the crinkly noise. Just to open it up. So let's put this aside real quick. And here we go. So the last painting I opened was really large. So seeing this little packet of diamonds is kind of throwing me off because it's smaller. So it's kind of funny. So let me separate the strip. I'm not too sure if it's two or if it's just one. No, there's two and there's a little one. And it's big packets. We'll hold off on that one. So for the first color, it is 931 and it's a nice kind of blue gray. Ooh, I like this color. 743, a really bright yellow. 3808, a dark teal. Love this color too. 318, a dark gray. 762, a lighter gray. 3842, a dark denim blue. 3765, another dark teal. 824, a dark blue. 129, sorry, a first AB. Oh, it's a really nice yellow color. So pretty. I like that. As you can see, it's a nice kind of banana yellow. I love that color. And the shine of the AB makes it really pretty. 132, the second AB, a nice kind of carrot orange. Ooh, I like that as well. Big fan of that. 3865, a white color. 415, a gray color. The 3849, and this is our fairy dust. As you can see, it's a nice teal color. Oh, I really love this color. You can kind of see some of the shine of the AB when I do that. Oh, I hope it's catching on camera. I love that color. 803, a dark blue. 742, a marigold color. 3848, a green color. 3847, a dark forest green. 823, 2 packets of a dark blue. And for the packet by itself, it's 939 and it's two packets as it's really dark blue. Our lovely 310, just one packet. And it's the black color so you can see, and 336 is a dark blue. Really thought there was going to be more black, but I believe it might just be here on the mountain. I'm sorry, here on the coast. So it kind of makes sense why it doesn't have a lot. So let's see where the special diamonds are. So for the AB, I think I can kind of see it, but just to double check, 129 is number 1. And I'm correct, it's for the trees here at the bottom. All of these that's lining here and some here on this side. Oh, it's going to look so pretty when you compare it next to the really dark colors. It's really going to pop since it's a nice yellow. And for 132, which is the symbol number 2, same thing, it's in the trees. So these two are going to contrast each other within the trees as well, since they're going to be going against the dark color. It's really going to pop, and there's going to be a lot of shine everywhere. I love that they did that, and I love that effect. And for our lovely fairy dust, it is the little, I don't know what's it makes me think of a music note, but I don't believe that's what it is. It's this color. Oh, it's so pretty. See how it says, it kind of looks like a rest, but I'm not sure that's what it is. As you can see here in the water, here along the coast, excuse me, I really love that because it's good as well. It's going to contrast really well with the gray and the dark blues. Oh, I really am loving this painting. And yeah, that's all for the special drills. I'm sorry, the special diamonds. And that's all I have for today. And I really am surprised by this painting. I actually do want to kit it up and start it, but I'm still trying to finish my June paintings and the event paintings. Some other paintings I kitted up. Apologies, I believe I have 11 paintings kitted up, so I need to start finishing before I can start working on another one. But isn't that usually our issue? Whenever we see any new paintings, we actually want to start on them now. And so if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It'll really help the channel, really help put me out there in the algorithm, and it'll just help everyone to see any kind of new diamond paintings they might be interested in. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.